My motherfucking wheel fell off. The hub broke. This is how I'm getting it home. See that? That is a bungee cord. Because the hub literally fucking severed. So I'm on the side of the freaking highway. I was going like this at an angle, and the fucking tire went rolling right past me. In the ditch. I got about a mile to go. I got 2 flat tires in the front. The frame is cracked right there. Pretty good. Oh, everything's fucking loose. My sprocket's loose. My fucking bearings are loose. Chain is shitty. Got no air cleaner cover. My ass hurts. Fuck, man. We'll see how this goes. It's gonna be slow going. Oh, thank God I got a shovel. Fucking A right. This thing actually helped a lot. I sawed that fucking branch. Sawed them pieces off of it to make it fit. And put a little groove in it for the fucking bungee to sit in. I'm about to go look for another one of them sticks. Because I think 2's better than 1. If you know what I'm saying. I'm gonna smoke a cigarette. I'll get back at you. Who's ever used a piece of asphalt as sandpaper? That's all I got, man. I gotta make do. Found this nice fucking chunk of wood. It's all about shaping it into this piece of wood. Shovel has a fucking saw blade on it, thank God. Off his head. Oh, it almost fits. This is where this fucking sandpaper comes in. Let me tell you how fun this is. Oh man, I don't know how I'm gonna get a good grip on this drill bit. But, fuck it. That's what I always say. But fuck it. But fuck that bitch. This out. I got some Velcro right here. Don't know if that's going to be enough. No. But the theory is, you wrap it around it tight enough, then you should be able to turn it. Give it a twist, real tight like. Cellophane. Tell you what. When in doubt, force it out. People, I think we've met our match. The fucking little bit. It's denting pretty good. Oh, that's gonna hurt. Ow! Fuck! Oh, buddy. I hate this game. Oh! Ow! Fuck! Fuck this game. My drill bit. Bitch. Well, shit. I wish I had a pair of fucking pliers. I'll be back. Alright guys, it got dark. I fucking got the hole. Trust me, that was not easy. Finally, with a little bit of hand-to-hand combat and my teeth. I don't know if I can show you. I don't know. There's a fucking hole there, dude. See? No, you don't. It's fucking there. So, now the goal is to pull the bungee through this and then into the wheel. Well, I made it about 40 feet. Maybe farther, I don't know. I probably made it a half mile. I'm almost home now. Decided to fucking bury it in some bushes and walk for the house. Go get the golf cart and fucking hub. Put a fucking hub back on it and tow it home with the golf cart. Gotta wait for the fucking highway to die down a little bit. That golf cart's not fast. And there ain't exactly a fucking way to get to it other than crossing the fucking highway right here. Because behind me is a ditch that barely the go-kart can get through, so definitely not the golf cart. My mom will have a shit fit. If she even knew that I fucking brought it off the property, she would fucking freak. But it is what it is. We gotta do what we do. Fucking A. Here's my street. Nice and dark for me. Except for that fucking nonsense. That's a church, believe it or not. Why it's so fucking bright, I don't know. Sky looks like shit. Pretty good. It's like a fucking ring in the sky up there. Alright, I'm gonna stop fucking bullshitting and walk and smoke.